On today's menu, a simple and delicious recipe you don't want to miss out. An extraordinary, spicy coconut udon. Lei hong ma, that's us going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. It's always a great day for a bowl of noodle soup. This one is easy and delicious. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. Simply use your hands to tear down about 80 grams of oyster mushrooms. You can definitely use another mushroom that you have on hand, it's completely up to you. Place the mushrooms into a mixing bowl. Half teaspoon smoked paprika. Half teaspoon umami powder. This is a umami powder made in a previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out, make it really easily at home. If you can't make this, simply salt and pepper will be just fine, but highly recommended. Drizzle of avocado oil. Toss to coat. Transfer onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. This is fried tofu that comes in a block. You should be able to find this at an Asian grocery store. They're usually refrigerated, comes in almost like a vacuum sealed package. Sometimes called fried bean curd. Really awesome product and just makes life easy. Slice the fried tofu and place onto the baking tray. In this episode, I'm using about a quarter pound of fried tofu. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes. This is a quick Chinese-style chili paste made in a shorts video. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out as well. Make this really easily at home. Having this on hand also makes life much easier. Saute pan or stock pot. 1 tablespoon Chinese chili paste. 1 tablespoon miso paste. Use the butt of the knife to crush 1 lemongrass. This will help it release all that amazing citrusy aroma. This is a smoky, spicy chili oil, also made in a previous episode, and I'll also leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out, make this really easily at home. This will add an extraordinary, smoky, spicy aroma to that broth. Add a good tablespoon of chili oil. Cook the paste on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Frying the paste is imperative as it helps release extraordinary flavors. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. 1 teaspoon turmeric. Stir and cook for another minute. This is the base flavoring for the broth, so it's important to give it time for the flavors to cook and incorporate. Add in the 400 ml can of coconut cream. Give the pan a stir and turn the heat to medium-high. Add 1 liter or 4 cups of water or unsalted veggie stock. I'm only making enough toppings for myself today, but this broth should make enough for about 3 to 4 portions. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon cane sugar. Give the pan a stir and let it come to a boil. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. When the broth comes to a boil, give it a good stir and let it simmer for a few minutes. Boil the udon noodles to package instructions, in this case about 3 minutes. Remember to stir the noodles occasionally. When the toppings are done, take them out of the oven. Very carefully strain the broth through a sieve. The lemongrass could have been simply picked out, and this step is optional, but it ensures the broth is clean and silky smooth. Take a moment to appreciate and be captivated by that beautiful glow. Of course, we'll be using the official Young Man Cooking ceramic noodle bowls. You can find out more information about these or order your very own in the link in the description box below, or of course you can visit youngmancooking.com. Alright, let's plate this up. When the noodles are done, strain them out and place in the serving bowl. Pour in about 2 cups of that delicious, rich broth. This broth would be fantastic enjoyed with a thick vermicelli noodles as well, but it's completely up to you. Assemble the crispy fried tofu. Add in the flavorful oyster mushrooms. and a generous amount of fresh cilantro. You can now enjoy this incredible bowl of soup noodles with absolute confidence. It looks and smells wonderful. Man, that is such a umami-packed broth. So delicious. Visually, this bowl is just gorgeous. We have the turmeric to thank for that beautiful golden glow, and that chili oil which gives it this stunning crimson red color. The chili oil adds that aromatic, smoky, spicy flavor, and there's that salty umami from the soy sauce, that little sweetness from the cane sugar. That Chinese style paste definitely has some heat in it, but it also brings a lot of that garlicky flavor. There's a little salty, tangy sweetness from the miso paste, and there's a little citrusy note from the lemongrass. The noodles are so delightful and so chewy, it picks up all of that delicious flavor from the broth. The mushrooms are so dense in flavor and a total explosion of umami. It has a little bit of those crispy edges, almost like mushroom chips. The tofu is substantial, it's got that crispy outer layer as well, and that broth is thick, it's full-bodied, it's rich. This is definitely one of those recipes that looks like a painting in a bowl. So delicious. Serve this at your next dinner party and you'll really impress your friends. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so exciting to cook at home. And if you love easy, delicious, beautiful recipes like this, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Of course, as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.